Okay, now let us move on to the next question. This question says a rectangular garden 80 meter, so this is 80 meter by 40 meter, is divided into 4 equal parts by 2 cross paths. Okay, so 2 cross paths 2.5 meter wide. Find number 1 the area of these cross paths and the area of the unshaded portion. Okay, so you can see the cross path is shaded, the others are the area of the unshaded portion. So here is that particular question. This is what my diagram is. It's 80 meter by 40 meter. It says that these cross paths are 2.5 centimeter, 2.5 meter wide. Okay, so these are all 2.5 meter wide. Okay, so what do we have to find out? We have to find out the area of the cross paths. That means area of this plus area of this. That means basically, according to the diagram, the area of the shaded part. So let us find out what should be the area of the cross path. The cross path should be like this. Look at this length. This width, we know it's given as 2.5, isn't it? Cross path has a width of 2.5. This length is going to be 40, same as this one. Okay, so if I have to find out this, it is going to be 40 into 2.5. If I have to find out this one, the width is again 2.5, but this length from here to here is 80. So it's actually 80 into 2.5 plus 40 into 2.5. But now what happened? You see this part in the middle, this part which was there in the middle, it came twice, isn't it? When I was doing this, then also this came, and when I was doing this, then also this part, this square in the middle, it came 2 times. So I have to take it only once, isn't it? So one of them I will have to remove. Okay, so it's this square which is coming in the middle. It has a length. It's both 2.5 into 2.5, isn't it? Both sides it's the equal to the width of the path. So it is going to be equal to 80 into 2.5 plus 40 into 2.5 minus 2.5 into 2.5. Okay, so what we did, we took out 2.5 common. So 80 plus 40 minus 2.5. This is coming out to be 117.5 into 2.5. Okay, then multiplication was done and it came out to be equal to 293.75 meters square. So that should be the answer of the first part. That is the area of the cross path. The second part of the question says that you have to find out the area of the unshaded portion. So what should be the unshaded portion? It should be the whole diagram minus the shaded part. Just now we have found out the area of the shaded part, isn't it? The cross path was the area of the shaded part. So the area of the unshaded portion should be equal to the full thing, that is 80 into 40 minus whatever we have got here. So 80 into 40, it was 3200 minus the shaded part, 293.75. It is coming out to be equal to 2906.25 meters square. So this should be the area of the unshaded part. This is how you will take out, not take out these 4 separately or anything like that.